In this video, we are going to revise coastal plains, islands, and drainage system. Hello friends, welcome to the Tapasya for IAS YouTube channel. So let's begin Eastern coastal plains. Location and formation. It stretches between Eastern Ghat and Bay of Bengal, formed by alluvial deposits of major east flowing rivers Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, known for fertile deltas or at river mouths. Regional division Utkal Plains, coastal Odisha, northern circles between Godavari and Mahanadi rivers. Coromandel coast Kanyakumari to Godavari deltas. Key features: lagoons, backwaters, Chilika Lake in Odisha, largest brackish water lake in India. India's oldest Ramsar site, wetland of international importance, hosts Irrawaddy dolphins. Nalavan Island Bird Sanctuary, removed from Montex record. Positive conservation status. Pulicat Lake on Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu border. Koleru Lake, freshwater lake located between Krishna and Godavari deltas. Bellander Lake, Bengaluru, largest lake in Bengaluru, highly polluted, known for methane-induced fires. Coral reef, often called rainforest of the sea due to high biodiversity. Hermatypic hard corals reef building, soft corals, flexible, plant-like non-reef building. Significance here: agriculture, highly fertile soil, ideal for rice, coconut, cash crop. Krishna Delta, known for granary of South India. Trade and commerce, hosts major ports, handling approximately 98% of India's international trade. Mineral resources rich in mineral oil deposit, monazite, and atomic minerals found in Tirunelveli and Thoothukudi, Kanyakumari. Salt production. Fisheries, India's third largest fish producer globally, 162.48 lakh tons in 2021 to 22. Tourism, attraction like backwaters Kerala, beaches Goa, boost tourism. Islands of India, major islands group: Andaman and Nicobar Island, Bay of Bengal. Origin, submerged continuation of Arakan Yoma mountain range, Myanmar, primarily tectonic and volcanic in origin. Climate, tropical moderate by oceanic influence. Economy, crop include rice, coconut, areca nut, banana. Tribes, home to aboriginal tribe like Onges, Charvas, Sentinels, facing population decline and isolation. Biosphere Reserve, Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserve, Vandoor Marine National Park hosts giant rover crops. Strategic importance here is commands key lanes of communication stocks in the Bay of Bengal. Lakshadweep Island, Arabian Sea. Origin, coral belt island, atolls with fringing reef. Capital, Kavaratti. Economy, main crops, coconut, primary occupation fishing. Largest island, Minicoy. Strategic importance, 9-degree channel between Minicoy and main Lakshadweep. It's a crucial international shipping route from Persian Gulf to Asia. Strategic importance of Indian Island General. Exclusive Economic Zone EEZ. Territorial waters contribute significantly to India's maritime jurisdiction, approximately 20,000 kilometers square territorial waters, nearly 4 lakh kilometers square exclusive economic zone, that is EEZ. Maritime security, proximity to Sri Lanka, it is nearby Sri Lanka. Maldives, India's western coast enhances maritime security and surveillance capabilities. Naval presence provides forward operating base for Indian Navy. Other significant islands like Offshore Island, Sagar Island, Ganga Mouth, West Bengal. Sriharikota, Barrier Island in Pulicat Lake. Host ISRO's Satish Dhawan Space Center. Wheeler Island, Abdul Kalam Island. Off Odisha coast, Mahanadi Brahmani Mouth Missile Test Facility. Aliabet, Narmada River Estuary, Gujarat. Aliabet. Tectonic other origin island, Pamban Island, Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. Crocodile and Arunda Island, Gulf of Mannar. Elephant Island, Mumbai Harbour. Drainage system of India. Basic concept. Drainage, flow of water through well-defined channels. Drainage system, network of rivers and their tributaries. Drainage basin, river basins. Area drained by single river system. Watershed, smaller area where runoff collects and drains through a common point. Example, a pond, small stream. Water divide, elevated area, hills, ridges, separating adjacent drainage basins. Example, Western Ghat acts as a major water divide in peninsular India. Drainage pattern. Dendritic pattern is like tree-like branching pattern, indicative of uniform rock structure. Example, Ganga Godavari. Radial pattern. Rivers radiate outward from a central peak or drone. Example, Amarkantak Plateau, Narmada Shon Mahanadi. Rectangular. River flows along fault fractures, meeting at right angles. Example, Pennaru rivers. Trellis. Tributaries join the master stream at right angles, typically in folded or highly jointed regions. Example, Himalayan rivers in their initial stretches. Centripetal. River converges into a central lake or depression. Example, Loktak Lake, Run of Kutch. Types of drainage based on evolution. Sequent drainage. River whose courses are adjusted to the geological structure and slope. Consequent streams follow general slope of land. Example, Godavari, Kaveri. Subsequent streams develop along weaker rock strata, often perpendicular to consequent stream. Example, Ashan, Song rivers. Obsequent streams flow in the opposite direction to original consequent stream, often due to differential erosion, faulting. Example, some Kosi tributaries. Resequent stream, tributaries flowing in the same direction as the master consequent stream but form later or on newly exposed surfaces. Insequent drainage, rivers whose courses are not directly related to the current geological structure. Antecedent drainage, rivers that existed before the uplift of a landmass and maintain their course by eroding through the rising terrain. Example, Indus, Brahmaputra, Sutlej. Superimposed drainage, rivers whose courses were established on an upper geological formation, then eroded down through a different underlying geological structure without being influenced by the underlying structure. Example, Son River in Camo Range. Classification of Indian drainage system. Here we will see comparative analysis. Origin, Himalayan drainage, fold mountain building, glacial melt, while peninsular river drainage, Western Ghat as a water divide, Rift Valley, Narmada, Tapi. Water flow, perennial, monsoon plus glacial melt, mostly seasonal, monsoon plus dependent. Edge, youthful, high erosion, river capturing common. Mature, graded valleys, less erosion. Catchment area, large, more than 20,000 km square. Here is medium, 2,000 to 20,000 km square, or minor, less than 2,000 km square. Floods, high, loose soil, high rainfall, low plains relief. Lower courses, example, Krishna, Godavari deltas. Delta estuaries, large delta, example, Sundarbans. East flowing deltas, east flowing estuaries. Meandering, high in the plains, example, Koshi, less due to solid geological. Peninsular drainage. Here, meandering here is high in plains, example, Kosi. Himalayan drainage and peninsular drainage. Yeah? Course is called Saurabh Bihar. Less due to the solid geological structure. Hydropower. High potential, steep slope, perennial river. Low. Seasonal flow, fewer waterfalls. Navigation high. Example National Waterway 1 Allahabad to Halia. Limited to lower stages. Major Himalayan drainage system Indus River system. Origin Bokharchu Glacier near Mansarovar Lake, Tibet. Length 2880 km. Example kilometer 1114 km in India. Flow through Ladakh. Forms deep gorges, drain into Arabian Sea. Tributaries right bank Syok, Gilgit, Kabul, Kurram, Tochi and Gomal. Left bank Jaskar, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, Satluj and Punjab. Indus Water Treaty 1960 governs water sharing between India and Pakistan. Eastern River India's control Ravi, Beas, Satluj. Western River Pakistan control Indus, Chenab, Jhelum. Ganga River system origin Gangotri glaciers as a Bhagirathi. Uttarkasi, Uttarakhand. Basins largest river basin in India. Approximate to 8.6 lakh km square. Key features forms the world's largest delta. Sundarban with Brahmaputra. Conservation Namami Gange program for cleaning and rejuvenation tributaries. Tributaries left bank like Gomati, Ghagra, Gandak and Kosi. Right bank tributaries like Yamuna, Shon and Damodar. Brahmaputra river system. Origin Chemangdong Glacier, Tibet, known as Sangpo. Length approximately 2500 km. Key features enters India as Dihang, forms Majuli, world's largest river, island in Assam. Known for high water flow and sediment load. Tributaries here like right bank tributaries Subansiri, Kameng, Manas, Tista. Left bank tributaries Dibang, Lohit, Puri, Dihing, Dikho and Kopili. Major peninsular drainage system. East flowing rivers forms deltas. Mahanadi origin is Dandakaranya region of Chhattisgarh. Flow forms a large delta in Odisha along with Brahmani and Baitarani. Godavari origin in Triambakeshwar, Nasik, Maharashtra. Key features largest peninsular river often called Dakshina Ganga, South Ganga. Krishna origin near Mahabaleshwar, Maharashtra. Key features is the second largest flowing peninsular river. Kaveri origin in Brahmagiri Hills, Kodagu district, Karnataka. Key features perennial river receives rainfall in both monsoons, forms Sivasamundram waterfall. West flowing rivers forms estuaries, flow into Arabian Sea. Narmada origin Amarkantak plateau of Madhya Pradesh in Anuppur district of Madhya Pradesh. Key features flow through a rift valley, forms Dhuandhar Falls near Jabalpur. So Dhuandhar waterfall is there. It's not waterfall, it's like Dhuandhar structure. It looks like smoke. Near Jabalpur, Tapti origin Satpura range, Badal district, Madhya Pradesh. Key features also flows through Rift Valley parallel to Narmada. Mahi origin in Vindhyas, Madhya Pradesh. Flow drains into Gulf of Khambat. Sabarmati origin Aravalli range, Rajasthan. Flows drains into Gulf of Khambat. Western Ghat rivers generally small, swift and suitable for hydropower due to steep gradient. This is the end of lecture. So friend, we will meet in the next video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. Please subscribe the channel, like the video and don't forget to press the bell icon so that UPSC focused videos keep reaching you. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.